Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review and DIY videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Greenmade Utility Rack, or shelf, which you can get at Costco, but we got it from Tractor Supply Company. You might even be able to find it on Amazon. But we're going to get right out of the packaging. So let's take out these security straps. And you'll see it's pretty simple in terms of construction. There's only shelves and these bars that go vertically. So there's 4 bars per layer, and if there are 4 or 5 shelves, there should be 16 bars total. And you can also see that they come with these toppers here. So let's set these aside and just get everything out. Okay, so we got this so that we can store gardening tools, and we got actually multiple of these. You can see one in the back there we've already assembled, one here, and then another, not the same brand, this is Yukon. So if you're interested in that one, go check it out. But for now, we'll start with this one. Okay. So, as far as assembling goes, this literally is just taking the support and just sticking it in, just like that. And you're gonna need to do that for all 4 corners, and then for all 4 shelves, and then the 5th shelf. But then these stoppers, these are legs that go on the bottom. And then this stopper goes on the top. So it would go on the last shelf at the top. Okay, but now that you know where everything needs to go, this is pretty simple. All you have to do, take 4 supports per side, 4 supports per shelf, and we'll just stick them in. Alright, make sure they're all firm. Okay. And then just put them on top and align them. If you're not super strong, you might need a mallet to fully secure them. But you should be able to push them all down with your body weight. And you can't push it down too far because there's a little circular ridge around it that prevents you from pushing it too far. Okay, and before we go too far, let's put these legs on the bottom. So they're just going to insert just like that. So you can even insert them while the poles are already on. They actually have a pretty snug fit, but not too tight that you can't insert them. Okay, and there we go. And by the way, it doesn't look like there's any directionality, so it should be pretty symmetrical when you assemble it. It shouldn't be backwards, is what I'm saying. One thing my dad wanted me to point out is we both noticed that there's these lines, these markings on the poles, which I'm not sure what they do. I mean, you can tell they're kind of flat. There's like a little flatness to them. But on the actual surface here, it's all identical around the ring. So it doesn't seem like there's a locking mechanism. So I would say ignore that. It doesn't even mention it in the instructions, so it should be good to ignore it. I mean, if it did provide a locking function, because it's so thin, I would doubt it would do like much. some point this is gonna get too tall for me, so it might be better for me to tilt this to the side and start assembling it that way. Or use a ladder. Make sure you push down with all your weight, because even though it might seem all the way, it might not actually be all the way. And if you don't get a ladder or tilt it, that's where you might need to use a mallet. Alright, so this last shelf, before we put it on, or actually, after we put it on, you're going to want to insert these toppers or these caps. So just keep that in mind. And let's see if I can do this. Actually, no. I think I will need a mallet or a ladder of some sort if I don't tilt it. For the record, I'm only 5'3" or 2. So a normal, or rather an average height person should be able to do this with relative ease. All right. All right. So now you want to take the cappers, or the toppers / caps, and you want to insert them. And they just click into place. Okay. And there we go. Pretty simple construction. Okay, so that's the Greenmade utility shelf. That's the assembly of it. In the next video, we're going to do the Yukon, so go check that out if you're interested. And then after that, we're going to do a comparison of the Greenmade and the Yukon. And we're also going to see how it fits those Costco totes that you see behind me. So go check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. But for now, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on product reviews and DIYs, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, signing out. Peace.